Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet Lily of the Valley and the leaves for the bouquet blanket. For leaves, I'm going to use 6mm hook and 2 strands of A-ply yarn. Insert the hook to any stitch. Make a single crochet. Snip stitch first, chain 1 and then single crochet. Chain 5, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches. Insert the hook to 3rd stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 5. Skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Chain 5. So the pattern here is 1 single crochet from the 1st stitch, chain 5, skip 2 stitches. Place using this pattern and finish the round. This is the end of the round, chain 5. Snip stitch to join to the top of the 1st single crochet. Chain 1. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet, and I made a mistake here. That was supposed to be 1 single crochet, chain 3, and we make a double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, and make another double crochet, chain 3. So here we make 4 double crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So we just made 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and chain 3, 1 single crochet. The flower base is finished. Now we're going to make leaves. Chain 1, and follow that is chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we find number 4, which is middle stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we make 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch. Chain 3. And back to make 1 single crochet in the chain 5 area. This is how leaf look for the Lily of the Valley. 1 flower base and 1 leaf base is a set. Let me show you again. 1 single crochet, chain 3, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, 3rd double crochet, chain 1, make 4th double crochet. See here we got 4 double crochet and chain 3, 1 single crochet to the chain 5 area, and make leave 1 single crochet from the following chain 5 area, chain 7, now find the 4th stitch, make a single crochet and chain 3, chain 3, and make a single crochet in the chain 5 area. Follow the pattern and finish the round. Here it comes to the end of the round. Snip stitch to join to the 1st stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Following, I'm using 3.5 mm hook for the mini flower. We are going to crochet the flower in the flower base. There are 5 chain space in the flower base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we only crochet in those chain space. Snip stitch, chain 1. Make a single crochet. Pull the yarn longer. Turn the hook. Pull the yarn back. Normally we go through 2 loops, but we are not going to here. It's a unfinished double crochet. So make another unfinished double crochet, yarn over, pull the yarn back, yarn through 2 loops. We just made 3 unfinished double crochet, and 4th unfinished double crochet. Now we have 6 loops on the hook for 5 unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, pull the yarn over all 6 loops, chain 1. Make another 3 of these in the following 3 chain space. And I'll be back at 5th chain space. So here we made 4 unfinished 5 double crochet. And here comes to the 5th chain space. We make 1, 2, 3 unfinished double crochet. And then now we are going to crochet through 2, 3 chain area. The first and the last chain 3. Insert the hook over 2 chain 3 and pull the loop over 2 loops and make a last stitch there as well. 5th unfinished double crochet, pull the yarn over all 6 loops, chain 1. Snip stitch to join around. To the first stitch. Chain 1, and we make a chain 2 start the round. Last, we're gonna make a double crochet in between unfinished double crochet, and then chain 2. Now we make 1 single crochet under the double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch for the last double crochet, chain 2. Make a single crochet between 2 double crochet. So we make 2 double crochet between 2 unfinished double crochet. Now we make 1 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet, another double crochet in the same stitch to the last double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in between 2 double crochet. Follow the pattern and finish the round. Here we're back to the end. Make a double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in between, another double crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and snip stitch to join around. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is the Nini of the Fanny finished, and you just make all in a flower base. You can choose one color or any color you like. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out other tutorials. See you in the next video.